Cancer kills more people each year than HIV, AIDS, TB, and malaria combined. Breast cancer is the most common cancer in women worldwide, but is a neglected disease in low and middle income countries where most affected women live. In Canada, most women with breast cancer will survive their disease. In countries like Bangladesh, the opposite is true. Doctors with the International Breast Cancer Research Foundation and the University of Toronto have partnered with a Bangladeshi NGO to create Amadagram Breast Care. 80% of our patients have advanced or incurable disease. Most are aware they have a serious problem, yet delay seeking care until it's too late. The women tell us they have no choice. They describe complex barriers, poverty, gender bias, stigma, and a belief that breast cancer is a death sentence. When we shared this with local colleagues, Empower Health stepped in to help. Building on the widespread availability of inexpensive mobile phones in developing countries, Mridul Chowdhury, a computer scientist, founded Empower Health, a social business which develops mobile phone solutions to important public health problems. The goal of our initiative is to develop an inexpensive system for community health workers to identify, refer, and track breast cancer patients using mobile phone applications. So far, we found that CHWs can effectively use a simple application to assess the seriousness of a breast problem and to encourage the patient to attend the center for further evaluation. Our bold and creative idea is to test different methods of motivating and enabling rural women with suspected breast cancer to come for assessment and to adhere to treatment and follow-up. If our project is supported by Canadian Grand Challenges, we believe it can serve as a model for scientific, technical, social, and business innovation in diagnosis and management of other common chronic diseases in low-income countries.
আমাদের গ্রাম স্বপ্ন, please support our project.